Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of generative AI and how it's shaping the future. Generative AI refers to a class of artificial intelligence algorithms that are designed to generate new content based on complex algorithms that analyze vast amounts of data. Generative AI is an advanced version of traditional AI. Imagine you are playing computer chess. The computer knows all the rules. It can predict your moves and make its own based on a predefined strategy. It's not inventing new ways of playing chess, but selecting from strategies it was programmed with. That's traditional AI. Generative AI, on the other hand, can be thought of as the next generation of artificial intelligence. It is a form of AI that can create something new. Suppose you have a friend who loves telling stories, but instead of a human friend, you have an AI. You give this AI a starting line, say, once upon a time in a galaxy far away. The AI takes that line and generates a whole space adventure story complete with characters, plot twists, and the thrilling conclusion. The AI creates something new from the piece of information you gave it. Let us talk about some real-world applications in various industries like healthcare, finance, entertainment, and more. Let us look at each of these industries individually. Number 1. Healthcare. Generative AI is being used in healthcare to improve patient care and outcomes. To give you an example, Cody C. Wiles, an orthopedic surgeon at Mayo Clinic in Minnesota, explains the use case of AI in healthcare. Suppose a patient had done an X-ray 3 years ago and does another X-ray today. The AI system can compare both X-rays and say whether the patient's bone structure looks identical to what it was 3 years ago with precision as high as 0.1 mm. Medical practitioners can never achieve such high level of accuracy by comparing two X-rays. Not only that, it can also determine if any bone loss is present or if the patient's bone quality has decreased. Such high level of accurate data is a game changer in the medical field as it leads to making the best patient-specific decision and conduct detailed follow-up. Next we have, for the first time in the world, Oxford-based biotech firm HMLE created an immunotherapy drug for cancer treatment with the help of generative AI. Now, immunotherapy is different from chemotherapy. While chemotherapy works by attacking cancer cells directly, immunotherapy attempts to boost the body's defense system so they are more effective at destroying cancerous cells. They have developed immunotherapy drug known as T-cell engagers, which help in bringing the good white blood cells closer to the cancerous cell so that they can do the job of killing them. Here's how generative AI made this successful. Imagine that every cancer cell has a unique lock, and the white blood cells are like a pile of keys. Find the key that fit the lock and the cell can be destroyed. But unfortunately, there are hundreds of millions of keys that need to be tried. Sorting through all these possible combinations for finding the right key would take a long time, possibly longer than the patient has. But with generative AI, these combinations can be quickly created and tested in simulation based on previous existing data of patients. Next, we have Nuance Communications, a Microsoft company. 77% of US hospitals and more than 75% of the Fortune 100 companies worldwide use their application in their hospitals. This company has launched DAX Express, an application to digitally transform healthcare worldwide, marking the next step forward in the ongoing evolution of AI-powered solutions for healthcare. Generative AI is also being used to create personalized treatment plans for patients. By analyzing patient data, generative AI can create customized treatment plans that are tailored to each patient's unique needs. Now, let us look at the application of generative AI in finance. Generative AI is being used in finance to improve fraud detection and risk management. By analyzing large amounts of financial data, generative AI can identify patterns that may indicate fraudulent activity. For example, let's say you swipe your credit card to buy food or groceries. One night, if the system notices, say a late night swipe to buy gold, something you haven't done before, you will immediately get a verification call. That is the power of generative AI. AI is also helping insurance companies. Previously, for lodging an insurance claim, a customer had to wait for the valuer to physically come and inspect the vehicle. With AI tool, customers can simply upload the image of their car and get the inspection done. Generative AI is also being used to create personalized investment strategies for clients. By analyzing client data, transaction history, spending patterns, and financial goals, Generative AI can create customized investment plans that are tailored to each client's unique financial situation and goals. This also helps the relationship manager sitting at the bank to have a focused and targeted discussion based on customers' past data, which leads to better conversion rates. Also, in the stock market, traditional trading strategies typically relies on technical and fundamental analysis, which are time consuming and limited in their ability to adapt to rapidly changing market conditions. By analyzing historical market data, identifying patterns, and generating trading signals, generative AI models can optimize trading execution quality for clients and adjust to various changing market conditions. Now let us look at the entertainment industry. Generative AI is being used in the entertainment industry to create more personalized and engaging content. We are all aware how AI is extensively used in entertainment platforms such as YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video to provide personalized recommendations to users. By analyzing user preferences, browsing history, and behavior, AI algorithms can suggest movies, TV shows, music, books, and other content that users are likely to enjoy. Generative AI is also used by music apps like Wink, Apple Music, Gaana, etc. to create personalized music playlists based on a user's listening history and preference. It is also being used to create more realistic and immersive video games. All this can lead to higher engagement and retention rates for game developers. Next, we have the use case of AI in marketing. Generative AI is used in marketing to create personalized content and improve customer engagement. By analyzing customer data, generative AI can create targeted and personalized ads that is tailored to each customer's unique interests and preferences. For instance, India, a country that speaks more than 20 different languages, requires marketers to keep regional sensitivities in mind and customize offerings in relevant languages. Through AI, marketers can be present for their target audience across platforms and languages. To conclude, with great power comes great responsibility. It is crucial to use generative AI ethically and responsibly to avoid potential pitfalls. As these technologies continue to evolve, it's up to us to guide their development for the greater good. Hope you liked the video. Till next time, stay safe.